Kirsten here from Dispatch Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning. We are so happy with all of our new swag from Artrageous. We are going to show you some pieces.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave me. So sexy it hurts, and I am too sexy for Milan, too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan. And I am too sexy for
business meeting, super profesh, and then we're just like, I'm going to the beach.